We say, yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man, she had the girl. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, she had the girl and him and the boy. Come make a kiss now. Yes, Iyah. Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, man, happy Valentine's Day, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Good morning to all my friends. Yeah, man, on the voice of bed, Milla. Yes, Iyah. You know, we never plan for the content this morning. And I say, no, brother, I have to do something about Valentine's, Iyah. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Because it's true. You see me know, come to the something, man. I'm a man different from all other man, man. I'm a different man, man. Yeah, man. I'm a different man from all other man. When you come on to, yeah, when you come on to Valentine's and love and all them sitting there, you know. Because enough man I believe in the Valentine's, you know. Enough man born Valentine's and all them sitting there, you know. You know, see it? But me different from them man there. Yeah, man. The man believe in a Valentine's. Anything will embrace love. Yeah, man, Mr. Man endorse it. Me no matter who bring in Valentine, me no business who bring in Valentine's. And that's it. Valentine's Day, I want the most favorite day for me. Yeah, man. In this world, yeah. Yeah, man. Anything about love, especially love to woman. Because my Valentine's thing, you know, is all about woman, you know. Yeah, man. Respect to my kids, them and my friends, them, you know. And my brethren, them, you know. When it come on to Valentine, man, and my woman, Mr. Man, you know. Mr. Man pray, you know. Because it's a content, yeah. Well, man, tell you, brother. Yeah, man, it's a content, yeah, brother, it's to all the women them who've been in and out my doors. You know, see it? Because me that one man, you know. Me no accommodate women, you know. Unless me love them, you know. Yeah, man. So, as what I say, brother, Valentine's to me is all about loving my woman. That's me full of teddy bears, you know. I saw me post my Valentine's thing, you know. Because I have them teddy bear from, you know, see it? From Wappy Kid Philly, you know. I just walk up and down with them teddy bears and whole up of them, lion, me tiger, whole up of them. Teddy bears like wow. And go to the schools and go take picture Valentine's Day. Yes, Iyah. I did see him bed Milla this year. Yeah, man, I need school first me used to go around, you know. You know, see. Valentine's Day with army teddy bears, you know. Big up to Miss Winter. I do Miss Winter time. Yeah, man, when time is winter, I don't know if we used to do during the Miss Lee time, but I Miss Winter. Remember directly Miss Winter time. When time Miss Winter with principal and hip school. Because she always come take picture too. Because I can army teddy bears them and take picture in the school auditorium. You know, see. So, what me say? I big up all the principals them. What did allow me to come on the school compound and spread the love, the Valentine's love. Yeah, man, with the kids them. Yes. So, first and foremost, William the High School, we got Study Titus High School, Mushet High School, and Sticks. Yeah, man, them 4 schools they used to travel with them teddy bears and take picture Valentine's Day. Because all them pictures they want to know if we still have them same way. And them pictures they now put up back on social media again. If you want them, you have to contact me. Because what I tell people say, the best years of your life are when you're at school. When you're at high school, I talk about high school, primary school, infant. School years are your best days of your life. So all them Valentine's pictures to take and nib, sanititis, mushet and states. Yeah, man, I have all of them. But now go back to the Valentine's thing now. You see me now, when I come on the Valentine's, brother. Because no for no man, no for no man. When they claim say, you don't buy a woman panty and all them sit there. Because you're a bad man. In a seat. But I want a man who say, I'm a bad man. In a seat. Yeah man. Me a good man. I'm a lover to all the women them. In a seat. Because you come to Valentine's, Mr. Man buy woman panties. Not panty, you know, panties, you know, more than one panties, you know. And lingerie, you know. In a seat. And chocolate. Yeah. Yeah man. And all perfume set and all them sitting there, you know. Yes. I make my woman feel special. Because woman are the greatest gift God have given to mankind. You know, see, woman, a God, we call us now, woman a God wash belly. When we say God wash belly, no, woman are the last thing created on earth here. That's why they get so much trouble. God must say last pity what people have and ask a problem, you know. Woman are the greatest gift God have given to mankind. So woman have to pet, pamper and treat properly. Especially women them, especially ladies them who fear God. Yeah man, because enough of the women nowadays, they don't fear God and they don't respect God. On the levels. But all of the God-fearing women them. You know see it. If you get special treatment. You see after the Valentine's Day, yes, as long as you have the money, you can take out your girl, you know, and take out the woman, go anywhere you want to take your woman, you know. You treat the woman same way, you know. You know, see, can go special places. Like today now, like, I know you can go, the woman go movies and all them sitting there, any little thing. Book in a hotel and wine and dine a woman. You know, see, yeah man, and you buy a woman nice gifts. You know, see. And no for no man talk about you buy a woman panty. Or see man want to take out a woman in panty same way. You understand me? If you love to take out a woman panty, when you buy a woman in panty, brother. You know see it. You know see it. And for a woman too. You know see it. When you make man go take off on the drawers and I buy no drawers and all them sitting there. And then I buy them sitting there because the place them no bad man. But me no bad man. Me no want no man style me as no bad man, you know. Me hate man style me as bad man, you know. Me no bad man, you know. When I address me as good man. And some want to deal with, because me different for all of the man nowadays. Because me the man, me preach love. Universal love. You know see it? Especially love to woman. Yeah man, because my degree of love to man, on a certain levels, you know, because man have to love, man have to just know say, a man kill him brother, because man love him brother see me on the levels. But you come on to woman, a special love woman forget. This is a special day for all the women them. You know see it? Because this represents lovers. Yeah, the lady, yeah man, the girl and the boy, the woman and the man, the lady and the gentleman. You take a woman and a man, or a man and a woman to fulfill God's plan. Because me believe in the Adam and Eve story. You know see it? Because the Bible is a parable. We all know that. That's why we can never, you see, you know, understand the fullness of God, but God is all about love. God is all about love. So certain good topic I want to touch upon, you know. Because I leave certain people unto God, you know. But I talk about the love for your woman. Every woman will pass, every woman will me being amongst, me treat them with love and respect. Me, bed Milla, you can ask all of my, especially my two baby mother, they must live with me. Me no physical abuse woman. Me no hide nothing from my woman. Me pet and pamper my woman them. That me want to know. So me can talk. This is my YouTube channel, you know. This is all about my life story, you know. Because I say land I go write my autobiography, you know. Woman is the greatest thing God have given to mankind. want to get special treatment. You see it? Worse when a woman loyal to you and when a woman love you. Because you have some woman they not real. But for your woman love you and real, me not make some content that too long, you know. Because make it short and spicy. But I want to know the stands what bed Milla take when it comes to woman. You know see it? Woman the greatest, boy, sometimes, boy, let me say, woman the greatest thing, man. The real woman them. Because I remember saying, no, Solomon, can I go, all right, we can't go to Bible class. Because I tell you, man, Mr. Man, because I show all the books them what I have, you know, between the Bible, you know. They can't go to the Bible class. Who don't know can know now. The wisest man in the world ever lived, them say, King Solomon. King Solomon did have 700 wives. 700 wives. King Solomon did have 700 wives and 300 concubines. The same thing you call concubine, now you be secondary wife. You don't call him too matey. Them are the secondary wife what them put to take care of the Solomon 700 wives them. Imagine one man have 1,000 women around him. Solomon did have 1,000 women around him. And God did bless Solomon. God wasn't against that. God did bless Solomon. But what he done for Solomon? Because Solomon go deal with some little heathen woman. Some little idiot woman. Solomon go pick up some woman who don't believe in a film God. And that's why Solomon fall, you know. You see if Solomon, when he stick to the woman who believe in a film God, Solomon with that alright. So when you come on to, when a man come, I just true, I don't want to go in the depths of certain things, you know. But God man them come to the something. You see true warriors of God, true the man who stand up in a God, the man they love woman. Take for instance, King David, a man of God, one heart. King David, that's Solomon's father, you know. Remember say King David, the man, I must have one early morning in the same company in balcony and look across. And he can see over in can see over but the man make Iyah yard and Solomon and King David go see Iyah wife a bed. Yeah man, you see the wife, you see the man wife a bed in the man and King David just half for the man wife and love half the man wife, you know see it. And King David put the man in front of the battle. He put Iyah in front of the battle. So you're gonna get killed if you get the man wife. You understand me? Yes. I believe say how much as she Solomon supposed to come from. You know too 100% sure about that. But I mean I tell you say and David did admit to him wrong and David repent and yeah man, and God forgive him still. Yeah man. So that me I tell a man say when you the man there where you say who loving and respect woman, the man always have enough woman flock. You know see it. Flat them. That's why Bob Marley stay so. So Bob Marley stay there way there. Yeah man. And Bob Marley works live on. Yes. You know see it. So me in a seat. Yeah man, so me talk about people lifestyle who we know about and read about. So as I say, woman are the apples in a seat. I've got eyes man. That's why Bill Cosby when long time ago me say one comedy thing when Bill Cosby used to do stand up when Bill Cosby used to do him stand up comedies. Me now forgot when I Bill Cosby comedies when say boy when and Bill Cosby I tell you how woman get her name. Bill Cosby say when time God when God build a woman, when God take a ribs from the man and build a woman, and the way the woman they look so pretty and beautiful. You see, God shout out, woo, man. God shout out, woo, man. So woman get their name. The first man did perfect, man. Pretty like wow. Woman the great, woman the best thing pan God land, the sweetest thing pan God land. Woman the pet and pamper, the good woman them I talk about, and the real woman, the article woman them, who faithful to them man, Like to the Valentine's Day, take out a girl man and see it, yeah. Because even later on, so movie on the beach shall come out, you just bring a girl, you just kick back and build back with a woman. You see it? You man, your wife, if your wife a son, if you come and law a same way, you go out and enjoy the life, man, enjoy love, man. Make a woman feel special, man. Make a woman feel special. And to the no phone man, get up with man, they burn ganja and they drink woman all them sitting there. To the man, you know, as long as if your girlfriend gonna work and come in look more, you know, build back with the woman for your day, man, and make a woman feel special, man. You know, see it? Buy your woman nice things and all them sitting there. Buy your woman panties and all them lingerie and all them sitting there. It's nice when you push the door and you see you're going, you see woman that want sexy drawers and all them sitting there. You know, see it? If you want stiff breast dolly, if you have a stiff breast dolly, you have to buy no brassiere. Buy a nice drawers, man, and make a woman feel good, man. Same way, even if the breast them drop, same way, makes you feel special. Because when a woman breast drop, you see I read the same, So big up all the mothers them, So me talk about stiff breast dolly, and this the mothers them, Even if the titty them drop down so, as long as the article, you will get special treatment. Yes. No matter what. Woman. Yes, are the greatest gift God have given to mankind. And Mr. Man believe in a Valentine's. Me no business who want bring in Valentine's. Me love Valentine's. And my special time when I hear this, sir. That's why I love have my girl, I can buy her something for your Valentine's, no matter what. You don't want chocolate. As long as she article and she real. Man, you don't need to love the woman them. That's a woman that turn to woman nowadays. Because you don't love up the woman them and make them feel special. Yes. Yeah, man. And that's what I tell you, man. So this a content that is all for the lovers them. Because I circle certain things from my status already, to people, to some people and so forth, man. I want to know people. I love me preaching, I'm going to ease off of the politics thing for the vice of bed, because I'm on time for politics, I'm not on time for politics, Because Michael Manley Pitney, I will put the boss. This man now, Michael Manley, as soon as me get big and start search about Michael Manley and start Google Michael Manley life story. Michael Manley have 5 wives. No man, 5 different wives. 5 times Michael Manley married. 5 times he married. Because I know when time when he married to Beverly Manley, he did go married again. Because the man have the woman around him. No matter what the man does believe in a marriage, the man married 5 wives the man did have. 5 different times the man married. Yes. So you can't see this, since the Prime Minister embrace woman. Yes. Because 5 times he married, So this content is all about the good woman them. Good woman me I talk about, because a woman come like say, boy, I don't want to class woman now, I don't want to class woman now, Because I respect woman, Yeah, man, the mother of all creation, Come to them, woman be pretty and pamper, man. That's why every woman that come amongst me, see, me now want, see it. Every woman but being amongst me, no say me a man pet and pamper woman and treat woman good on a certain levels. Me no physically abuse woman. See, me no physically abuse woman. Because someone want a woman an idiot. some woman I that talk about if man no beat no man no love no. You mentally sick. And if no man go and beat up woman, you mentally sick too. Yeah man. I just that me I say right now, me can't talk, but all me I say, boy God, me miss those days. Me miss those days when me try to school to them. With my teddy bears them. But that was a journey in life, you know. It's a journey in life. I mean, I say, boy, I come to take pictures, you know. And them days was so happy days at Nib, at Mushet, at Sedititus, you know, see, and at States. When the kids them look out for the Valentine's Day, me bring out my Valentine's stuff them. You see, I don't have States, the pan State school compound. Today, pay a picture. A matter of fact, me always come to the schools them from during the week, Valentine's week. A pay a picture me I take. Nib school. Yeah man. Sedititus and Mushet. And States. For the week, Valentine's week, pay a picture. I mean, have them golden memories, man. I mean, yard, man. Stockpile up, man. So anytime you want them pictures there, you can link me. Because I start put up all time pictures on social media, you know. You know, see it. Because my present earthly father, Bucky, my earthly father, tell me, say, boy, daddy, yes, man, you see them pictures of them for the, back in his high school days, them. Yeah, you can make millions off of them. And I tell the Bucky, say, yeah, me know that, man. Because I'm going to rise the film scan upon them, man. Because right now, I can all start finding pictures from all 05. But upon CD, at the time, I'm going to sit down in my yard now. I'm going to sit down in my yard because I have everything in my yard. I have everything in my yard as a photographer. I have my camera, I have my printer, in a seat. I have my printer that can scan and all them sitting, I can print. Because I'm showing already. Right now, I get a new printer now. When I'm going to use phone and take pictures and print. Because I always believe in printing pictures. Because I got to play. I'm going to stop and play tomorrow. And who want forward to play, I can print picture. You know, see it. Yeah man, from my phone. And even take a picture, even if you take a picture with the phone, you can send it to my phone and I can print it. Bluetooth. Same place there. And I have a printer. So you see me, some effects different. Big up yourself, Twitter fashion. My general, you go on do your thing, your youth. Big up yourself. So Twitter fashion are doing thing, me do my thing different. Yeah man. So what me are telling you, say, I go sign off now, because I know say, now 22 minutes, I don't go long. More than I know, man, the world for know, say, me believe in a Valentine's. Especially come on to Valentine's. For my woman, me believe in a Valentine's. Yeah? Me believe in a Valentine's Day. So who want born Valentine's Day to feed them business? You know, see it? Because a woman me lotion, me no lotion man. Woman me lotion, me no lotion man. You know, see it? Yes, Iyah. Today, woman fi pet and pamper. You know, see it? Yeah man, buy a ladies panties more than one panties to one panty. Buy a woman lingerie. You know, see it? Some sexy lingerie. Buy a woman chocolate. You know, see it? Buy a woman roses. And buy a woman big old lotty teddy bear. If you can afford it. If you can afford it and you take out a woman to special places, Valentine's Day are the best time of the year. For lovers. You know, see it? As I say, but it's a universal love thing still. From the levels. And that me I say, I keep me content about Valentine. We can talk on and on, but all of me I say, we respect all of the principals them, and the teachers them, and the students them, who used to support Bedmiller back in the years. Because I do take, we depend on States compound, I take picture for about 10 years. And I still can't go on States compound still go take pictures here. Me still can't go, But they nib school compound take picture for 10 years too. And I still can go back and nib. Go take pictures. See me, but I refuse not. I want to stay in my yard and I want to do my thing. If a school call me, just go match some works. So I tell you, man, it was a wonderful journey. Because every Valentine's Day, I sit up on a school compound and take pictures. Yeah, man, for the week. So, as I say, the word is love. I love me preach. Me preach love and me care and concern for the poor. Because that's the only thing Jesus Christ does. Preach love and care and concern for the poor. Yeah, man. Yes. So anybody who preach love and care and concern about the poor, yeah, man. And they may believe in it. Jesus Christ, Michael Manley, Inner Seed, and Bob Marley. I mean, I left out me or Usain Bolt. Good youth. Good youth. Yeah, man, the message right now is all about love. So at 25 minutes now, I now make it pass. Nah, you now pass half an hour. This one is all about love. Love to the woman. Love to the woman. Woman to pet and pamper and treat with love and respect. Yeah, man. The good woman them, the heartical woman them, the real woman them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, a woman who I go ride or die with you. Treat the woman good, brother. Stop beat up a woman and so forth. Yeah, man. Man all kill woman and kill all himself and all them sitting there. And me are telling you too. And before me close off too, you know. Before me close off too. Woman are same way. When you treat a man good same way too. Buy a man gift same way too. Buy a man some nice sexy boxers and all them sitting there. Buy a man some nice sexy hand up pant. You know see it. Buy a man cologne set and all them sitting there. You know see it. Yeah, man. And some nice jewelry. See me for the Valentine's. Some nice watch and some nice chain. Spend for your man too. Not man alone for the spend for Valentine's Day, no, man. Woman for spend too, you know. But I'm going to emphasize about what me do to woman. But woman, when you spend for the man too. For the man love you and the treat you good. When you heartical man, you know see it. When you real man. Because you have some man too, you know. Some man too. But if you have your real man, you spend money on your real man same way. Nothing wrong with that. Take out a man same way, surprise the man same way. A certain thing go. 50-50 love same way. So, as what I say, today are days for lovers. Some man born Valentine because they are no lovers. They are no woman. Some woman born Valentine because they are no man. They not a real man. I pay a man to them off. But for you have a real man, because Valentine's Day is all about love. I don't business at who bring it in. As long as it embrace love between a man and a woman. Yes. A man and a woman are different, you know. Valentine's man and a woman, you know. Yes. That's all me I say, brother. That's all me I say. So, lovers will treat one another to the best, man. Yeah, man. Because it take a man and a woman to fulfill God's plan. That's all me I say. And today is a special day for lovers. Man and a woman. Yes, Iyah. So I'm going to close out by saying one love, one love, one love. You understand me? And big up yourself, Soko. My brethren, big up yourself, Soko. Me all big up Soko. You know see it? So, as what I say, happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers globally. Yes, Iyah. So I'm going to close off. I'm going to close off with the teddy bears them kissing. Yeah, man. You hear me? Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. Happy Valentine's Day to all lovers. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah.